Roshesh took a loan for 7 years at 6% per annum, simple interest rate. If the total interest paid was rupees 2,100, the principal was. Now, the formula for simple interest is PNR upon 100. Now, let's read the question again. Roshesh took a loan for 7 years. So this becomes N at 6% per annum. So this becomes R. If the total interest paid was rupees 2,100, so this becomes simple interest. The principal was. Now we have to find out the principal. So therefore, we can readjust this formula. P becomes simple interest into 100 upon NR. Now simple interest is 2,100 into 100 upon N is 7 and R is 6. Okay. Now we can divide this 7 into 300, 6 into 50. So 50 into 100, we get the principal as 5,000. So this is our answer, option C.